Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this Motorola. Firstly, go into settings and tap on sound and vibration. Then click on vibrate full calls and select one of the options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go for never vibrate, so I have to click on this option and go back. Now you can click on Advanced over here, scroll down and tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can set up Vibrate by tapping on it and going back. Then scroll down and click on the sweater next to Charging Sound and Vibration, Touch Vibrations and Outgoing Call Vibrations to disable or enable vibrations for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!